This loud lawnmower sounding drone has become one of the most widely used loitering munitions in modern warfare. It's called the Shahed-136, and despite being relatively simple, it's surprisingly effective. The Shahed-136 isn't a reusable drone. It's designed to fly to a target and destroy itself on impact. It's 11 feet long with an 8-foot wingspan. It typically carries a 66 to 110 high explosive warhead. It has a range between 600 and 1200 miles. It has a small piston engine, which gives a distinctive lawnmower or motorbike sound that many people recognize before it impacts. The Shahed-136 uses a delta wing design, similar to early jet fighters. This shape is simple, stable, and effective for long-distance flight, which is exactly what this drone needs. It's very cheap compared to cruise missiles, which means it can be launched in large numbers. Operators usually launch dozens of Shahed drones all at once, overwhelming air defenses. The Shahed-136 launches from angled racks mounted on trucks. A small booster rocket kicks the drone into the air before the engine takes over for the long flight to its target. Before launching, operators program the drone with the target's GPS coordinates. Once airborne, it navigates using GPS and internal guidance, flying towards the target completely autonomously. When the drone reaches its programmed coordinates, it dives directly into the target and detonates its warhead. With this drone, the targets typically include infrastructure, ammunition deposits, radar sites, cities, or other types of population centers. Alright, before we get into how these drones are actually stopped, if you'd like real breakdowns, modern air defense systems and threats, make sure you subscribe and comment what you'd like to see next. I post a lot of this content covering missile defense, drones, and how these systems actually work. Also, air defense history. Alright, so how do you actually stop something like the Shahed-136? One of the biggest challenges with drones like the Shahed-136 is cost. The drone itself may cost tens of thousands of dollars, while missiles used to intercept it can cost hundreds of thousands or even millions. A few examples of systems used to combat these drones are systems like CRAM. Which use radar-guided 22mm cannons to destroy drones at a short range. Another way to combat them is medium-range air defense systems, which can intercept Shahed drones before they reach their targets. Systems like Patriot and Iron Dome. But using expensive missiles against cheap drones can be a costly problem. Another way to combat these drones, other aircraft can shoot them down using their cannons or other air-to-air missiles. These drones are so hard to stop because they fly at low altitudes. They have a small radar cross-section. Operators perform mass launches, and they're really cheap. But at the same time, the real danger isn't just the drone itself. It's the volume of drones launched all at once. The Shahed-136 isn't the most advanced weapon in the sky, but its low cost, long range, and swarm tactics have made it one of the most disruptive drones in modern warfare.
Stay tuned for drone footage.
Крутяк! Хлопці молодці! Прямо над нами. Красавчик. Хорош.
Ебашит дом. Там ну нахуй. Я ебу, блядь.
Он, смотри, с большой высоты спускается. Вон он. Здесь. Это наш место, надо четвертый. Allah! Allah!
That's my fucking truck. Oh shit, we got a fire.